Now our scene looks a little bland. These are supposed to be trees, but there's no color. So what we can do is we can modify the materials on these and make them look more like trees. So I'll just go back and delete all the other ones we've created and then concentrate back on our one tree. So what we can do is we can create materials. You can see that we already have some materials in this kit. But we can just make something from scratch. We just right click in the project pane and then we can see create, and then we'll just go ahead and look for material and then we just create material here and then we'll just call this tree leaves 1, and then we can set this to whatever color that we want using the albedo property, and I guess that color green is good. And then what we can then do is then apply this to a particular object there by dragging it over. So in a similar way, we can also do the same thing with the trunk. And since we already have this trunk and I've shown you how to create the material from scratch, we can just go ahead and drag this trunk here. And you can see there's a slightly different color, so we can just have different colors if we want. Okay, and that's how to create and apply materials to objects.